Welcome back to Kids Kitchen. Today we're going to be making ice cream in a bag. Let's get started. What you're going to need for this is kosher salt, sugar, a gallon size bag and just a regular size bag, any topping of your choice, vanilla, and half and half. You'll also need ice. Start by taking your regular size bag, opening it up, and pouring in a cup of half and half. So just open up your half and half and pour in a measuring cup. Perfect. Now, you can get someone to help you with this, but I didn't have anyone around, so I just did it myself. You have to be super careful so you don't spill. Just pour your half and half into your bag. You can put that in the sink. Now, zip up your bag so that it doesn't spill. Now, take measuring spoons and find a tablespoon which has the symbols T, B, S, P. Make sure it's big like this. So now we're going to pour 1 tablespoon of sugar into our bag, and then 1 more tablespoon of sugar. Just 2. There you go. Now, zip up your bag. All right, now let's do vanilla. So open up your bag, make sure it's sturdy so it doesn't fall, and find the half tablespoon, which has half, and then TBSP. Just like the full tablespoon, but it has half in front of it. Now take your vanilla and carefully pour it in to your half tablespoon. And then pour it into your bag. If you didn't put this vanilla, your ice cream pretty much would just taste like milk. There we go. All right, now get all the air out and seal your bag. All right, now take a gallon-sized bag, put your small bag to the side, and fill this bag with 3 cups of ice and 1/3 cup of kosher salt. 1, 2, and 3. Now get a 1/3 cup and fill it with kosher salt. This is really satisfying. All right, it doesn't have to be perfect. Now pour the kosher salt into your ice. The reason that we pour salt onto our ice is because it delays the melting process. Now, shake up your bag. All right. Now, take your small bag, make sure it's zipped very tightly, and put it into your ice bag. And make sure that's zipped really tightly as well. There we go. Now shake vigorously for 7 to 10 minutes. This is a good workout. Whew. Oh, well, that was tiring, but it's definitely worth it. Bring your bag to the sink and take out your little bag. It's kind of wet, so that's why you have to take it out in the sink. Ooh, feels so nice. All right, so set that to the side and empty out your salty ice powder. Ew. And throw away this bag. All right, now take your ice cream and grab a bowl. I'm just gonna dry my bag off so it's not all wet. And just open your bag. It smells really good. And scoop out your ice cream. or you can do this. All right, now is the time to add our toppings. I'm using chocolate chips, but you can use whatever you want. So I'm just grabbing a little bit, sprinkling them on. Now I'll just stir those up, and we're done. Our delicious ice cream is now done. It looks so good. Good job.